welcome to the HVAC Diaries. My name is Jessica, and I am a refrigeration and air conditioning apprentice in British Columbia, Canada. The clips you just watched were from a job we did last week, where we were mapping out units and their thermostats in an unoccupied office space. Basically, we located the units inside the ceiling. There were 14 water-sourced heat pump units, and located their thermostats. And if they didn't have a thermostat, we would wire one in and leave about 20 or 30 feet of control cable coiled in the ceiling space, so that once they're starting to build out the framework of the office, they can place those thermostats wherever they need them. Now, often when they build out an office layout, they have absolutely no regard for what's in the ceiling space above them. So often we'll go and work on a unit that's here, where the thermostat is in another office, or worse, in the neighbor's suite. This way, we know that all of the units are functioning in both heating and cooling modes, and their thermostats are working as well. Unfortunately, one of the units is still an R22 unit that's going to need to be replaced. Unfortunately, there doesn't look like to be availability for the next 14 weeks or so, and we're not sure when they're going to start building out the layout in that office. So hopefully we can get in there before all the walls start being erected, because usually when we work on units in a fully functional office, we come across challenges like dividing walls or internal office windows that are right there where the unit is, making it difficult or impossible to access the unit. So hopefully we can get in there before the build starts. I'll end it there, but thank you once again for joining me on another episode of the HVAC Diaries. This episode is dedicated to www.womeninhvac.ca, and wanted to give a shout out to my company Cam Cool Refrigeration, without which none of this would be possible. See you again next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.